Hi amazing people, welcome and welcome back. So guys, in today's video I will show you a very simple way to make isiewu. If you like to see how I made this, please continue watching. So here are the isiewu. I've gone ahead to wash it the first time, and over here are the parts that I took out from the isiewu, because isiewu has a lot of things inside. I've taken out the parts that I don't want, and here are the brain as well. I'll go ahead to squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, and then I'll pour water in this and allow it to sit for a few minutes before washing it over again, then before adding it to my pot and start cooking. So once the isieu is properly washed, I'll season with some seasoning powder, some garlic powder, onion powder, some crayfish, some Cameroon peppers, and some salt as well. Just make use of your favorite seasonings. These are my favorite seasonings that I'll use to season my isieu. So once I've added that, I'll go ahead to add some boiling water just to quicken up the cooking process, and I'll cover to cook till tender. So at this point, the isieu is perfectly cooked and the water has dried up as well. So what I'm gonna do next is to make the ncha that I'll be using to make this isieu. And I've just added some palm oil in a pot, and I'll go ahead to add some melted potash. You can use ungo to do this, but what I have is potash. So I've just added some melted potash, and I'll continue to turn this until I get the right texture that I needed for this. So once I got the right texture that I needed, I'll go ahead to season my ncha. I've just seasoned with some ehulu, that is some African nutmeg, and I'll season with some crayfish as well, and I'll season with some Cameroon peppers. I'll turn this until they are well combined. If you are new here, you are welcome once again, and please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn your bell on to get notified each time I upload a new video. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I do appreciate all your support. Over here, I'm just adding my Scotch bonnet peppers, and then once I added the Scotch bonnet pepper, I'll add some seasoning cube as well, and I'll taste for salt. If I need to add more salt, I'll add, and then I'll go ahead to add the brain as well. At this point, you add the brain. The brain helps to thicken the sauce the more, so I'll add the brain, and then once everything is well mixed together, I will add the isieu. So once I've added the isiewurecipe, I will mix until everything is well combined. Look at that. That looks so delicious and it tastes so delicious as well. So here are the end result of the isiewurecipe. Isiewurecipe is not easy, it's so easy to make, but the part that is hard is the washing part for me. When I'm washing the isiewurecipe, it takes a lot of time for me to wash because I like to take out the parts that I don't need, the tongue and all that. So here are the end results. Thank you so much for watching once again. If you have watched to this very point, thank you. I do appreciate your stay here, and do well to join the family if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye and have a wonderful weekend.